Over the past few days, I've been testing the Roidmi NEX Storm, and I'm excited to show you the results in this video. Full disclosure, Roidmi sent me a sample of this vacuum to test, but as you'll see in this review, all of the tests done are comprehensive and will reveal the true strengths and weaknesses of this vacuum. The NEX Storm is Roidmi's latest cordless stick vacuum with key upgrades found in the motor and battery. It comes with a new 8-cell lithium-ion battery that will run past the advertised 60-minute mark. It will run for about 20 minutes longer than the F8 Storm. Like its predecessor, the NEX comes with an all-white finish, but this new version has black accents all around. I'll be releasing a comparison review between the NEX and F8 Storm soon, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified. Out of the box, you'll get an extensive set of attachments that includes a combination crevice and brush tool, a mini turbo brush, the main cleaning head with 2 separate brushes for bare floor and carpet, a flexible hose that you can use with any of the non-motorized tools for extra reach, and a unique compact wall mount that relies on a magnet for storage. NEX is one of many cordless stick vacuums coming out from China that uses a soft roller brush for hard floor cleaning. What's unique about this model is it has 2 interchangeable brushes with only 1 cleaning head, unlike the Dyson V10 that has 2 separate floor cleaning tools. As far as ergonomics is concerned, this vacuum is a bit top heavy, but the looping handle gives you several grip options for cleaning above floor areas. The weight distribution puts more pressure on the wrists. Both the soft roller and carbon fiber brush did very well on bare floor. In the cleaning tests I did, it scored perfect, picking up 100% of coffee grounds and Quaker oats on bare floor. It did struggle a bit cleaning rice, picking up an average of 91.5% using the soft roller and 85.5% using the carbon fiber brush. One of the issues with cleaning rice is how both tools would kick grains of rice forward and backward. This issue is more pronounced with a carbon fiber brush regardless of power setting. To simulate how it will perform on carpet, I tested the NEX on low pile rug. The carbon fiber brush did well, picking up 93% of coffee grounds, 98% of Quaker oats, and 96% of coffee. I also did a deep cleaning test by rubbing 50 grams of coffee on low pile carpet. The NEX was able to pick up roughly 94% on the highest power setting, which is pretty decent, but not as good as a Dyson V10 that was able to pick up 97.5%. It also scores high on edge cleaning as a soft roller tool was able to pick up nearly everything I scattered on the edge. If there's a kink in the armor, it's cleaning large stuff like Cheerios. I thought it would do well because of the soft roller brush, but I was wrong. I tried cycling through the different power settings, but it simply had trouble picking up large debris. Upon close inspection, I found out that the vacuum was clogging. To be specific, the inner shaft of the tube and the nozzle near the dust cup. Fortunately, cleaning a big pile of Cheerios isn't something you do on a daily basis, so it shouldn't be an issue. One feature that the NEX has over the Dyson is the mop tool. It sticks on the back of the main cleaning head using a strong magnet. Roidmi says that the new soft roller brush is water resistant, so it's able to handle light spills, but this feature isn't meant to replace a standalone mop. As for battery life, the NEX scores high marks in this area. Even with the main cleaning head attached, it was able to run for more than 61 minutes in low power, 29 minutes in medium, and around 12 minutes using the highest power setting. Using the non-motorized tools, it will run for as much as 67 minutes. Roidmi also improved the dust cup, particularly the fit and finish. One issue I have with the F8 Storm is how the filter pops out when you turn it upside down. That isn't the case anymore with the NEX because the new assembly has a lock. But the process can be messy as you have to twist to remove the filter assembly before emptying the contents. Another feature I like is the flexible hose. You can only use it with the brush tool. It helps greatly in navigating areas like air conditioning vents. I would say that the Roidmi NEX is a pretty good deal for the features it brings to the table. It's got an excellent set of tools, has above average cleaning performance even on carpet, and the most impressive feature for me is the runtime. It exceeds manufacturer claims, which makes it a suitable option even for medium-sized homes. For more information about the Roidmi NEX and the latest prices, please check the links below.